In today's review, we dive into the world of high-end OLED TVs with a focus on the LG G3 65 inches OLED TV. We'll explore its exceptional features, discuss its suitability for different user profiles, and even draw some comparisons with the competing Samsung S95C OLED TV. Picture quality is the cornerstone of a great TV, and the LG G3 excels in this aspect. It achieves stunning visuals, and here's why. The LG G3 utilizes the advanced OLED Evo G series in combination with the A9 AI processor Gen 6. This results in exceptional PQ-EOTF tracking, particularly due to its OLED nature, which enables perfect black levels and a near-ideal EOTF curve alignment up to its peak brightness. However, it's important to note that the TV's EOTF tracking behavior can vary depending on the content it's displaying. For content mastered at 600 and 1000 nits, which encompasses the majority of content, the TV employs a clipping mechanism, effectively cutting off everything above its maximum brightness. This can result in a loss of fine details in very bright scenes, a trade-off that's important to keep in mind. When it comes to content mastered at 4000 nits, the TV utilizes tone mapping to adapt. However, the LG G3's tone mapping exhibits a faster roll-off than its predecessor, the LG G2 OLED. As a result, it may not preserve as many fine details in this specific scenario, an aspect that discerning viewers should consider. The LG G3 OLED also excels in contrast, a cornerstone of picture quality. With its OLED technology, it achieves an almost infinite contrast ratio, ensuring deep, perfect blacks without any blooming. The TV's native contrast ratio is infinite, further enhancing the quality. In terms of peak brightness for HDR content, the LG G3 shines by delivering remarkably bright and sustained highlights, surpassing its predecessor, the LG G2 OLED. However, the TV features an automatic brightness limiter, ABL, that can be quite aggressive in dimming highlights. Despite this, the LG G3 OLED still outperforms the LG G2 OLED, except for the 83-inch model, which may have variations due to the absence of the MLA focusing layer. Additionally, the TV offers an almost perfect viewing angle with no color shifting off-center, making it an excellent choice for rooms with versatile seating arrangements. The LG G3 OLED features a sleek and modern design, reminiscent of the 2022 LG G2 OLED. With a slim bezel and a flat side profile, it offers a flush fit when wall-mounted, and it comes with a thin wall mount in the box. Notably, the TV doesn't include a stand, but LG offers a separate stand option for those who prefer not to wall mount it. Additionally, you have the choice to use the stand from the LG G2, which is available for purchase separately, which we provide a link to it in the description below. The TV's back showcases a clean and minimalistic appearance, crafted from textured metal with a metallic silver border along the edges. Recessed cutouts in the back allow for cable management. Moreover, the included wall mount is designed for easy cable organization even after wall mounting. The LG G3 OLED combines sleek aesthetics with solid build quality, featuring metal construction throughout, ensuring durability and minimal flex, with only slight flex detectable in the middle of the back panel. The LG G3 OLED TV runs on LG's WebOS, offering a smooth and user-friendly experience with support for multiple user profiles to personalize the homepage. However, it does have unavoidable ads in the interface, with limited options to disable them. On the bright side, the TV boasts a wide selection of apps, including popular streaming services such as Netflix with HDR support, as well as YouTube with HDR support, to name a few. The included large Magic Remote, with hands-free voice control, simplifies navigation, though it may have minor limitations, which could potentially be addressed with future firmware updates. The TV provides manual control via a single button, and it comes with essential accessories and energy consumption figures. The LG G3 boasts impressive sound quality, thanks to its AI sound technology that tailors audio settings to your viewing habits, providing an immersive and personalized sound experience. Notably, the LG G3 now supports DTS audio formats, making it a great choice for those who enjoy DVDs or Blu-rays with DTS-encoded audio tracks. To further enhance your audio experience, consider pairing the LG G3 with the LG G1 soundbar, the perfect audio companion. You can find the link to the LG G1 soundbar in the video description for a comprehensive audio solution. Gaming on the LG G3 is a treat for enthusiasts, offering a fantastic experience with a robust set of specs and compatibility. With its low input lag, as low as 5.5 ms at 1080p at 120 Hz, it ensures responsiveness that's excellent for gaming, rivaling dedicated monitors. The TV's compatibility with various resolutions, including 4K at 120Hz, 1440p at 120Hz, and support for HDMI, Forum VRR, and FreeSync, makes it a versatile choice for gamers, whether you're on the PS5 or Xbox Series X or S. Additionally, the LG G3's rapid pixel response time minimizes motion blur for sharp visuals during fast-paced gameplay, even though there's still some persistence blur due to OLED technology. For all the gaming aficionados, the LG G3 is a top-notch choice that delivers an exceptional gaming experience. End summary. The LG G3 OLED TV is an exceptional choice for those who prioritize top-notch picture quality and personalized sound. Gamers, on the other hand, may lean towards the Samsung S95C, which maintains consistent HDR, brightness in game mode, and offers vibrant colors. We also added a link to the description below if you want to check out the S95C. It officially supports 4K at 144Hz, catering to high-performance gaming. Additionally, the LG G3 now supports DTS audio formats, enhancing its versatility for fans of DVDs or Blu-rays with DTS-encoded audio tracks. Your choice between the LG G3 and Samsung S95C depends on your specific needs and preferences. Whether it's stunning visuals, immersive sound, or high-performance gaming, these TVs have something unique to offer.